Hello students, welcome to Sacred Heart High School, class 10.
Students, let's begin with practice set 1.4, question number 1. See that question in the textbook. The ratio of the corresponding sides of similar triangles is 3:5. Then find the ratio of their areas. Okay, so what we will do, first we will assume let the ratio of the sides be S1 and S2. Okay, so let the corresponding sides of two triangles be S1 and S2. Okay, and let the respective areas be, let the respective areas of two triangles be A1 and A2. Okay. The ratio of the sides is given, children, that is S1 is to S2 is equal to 3:5 is given. So we will write given value. Now this we can write it as S1 upon S2 is equal to 3/5. In the question we have to find out the ratio of their areas. So we know the theorem of the ratio of areas of two similar triangles. So we will write the theorem here. The ratio of areas of two similar triangles. Therefore, A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. Okay. What is the reason, children? Theorem of areas of similar triangle. Okay. Therefore, we can write it like this: A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 upon S2 the whole square. Yes, now we will substitute the value of S1 and S2. Children, it is already given in the question. S1 is to S2 is 3:5. See here I have written like this: S1 upon S2 is equal to 3/5. So we will substitute the value here. Therefore I will get, therefore A1 upon A2 is equal to 3/5 the whole square. This is 1 and you can write here from 1. Okay, now we will apply square to this numerator and denominator. So what we will get, therefore area of 1 upon area of triangle 2 is equal to 9/25, and this is your answer. Okay, you can write, we can write it as in this form also. A1 is to A2 is equal to 9:25. Okay, so this is our final answer. This is the ratio of the areas of the two triangles. Now children, let us see the fourth question of 1.4. The question says that triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR. So we'll write here in the solution: triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR. This is given. One equation is given: 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. We have to find out the value of MN from this triangle using this given information. One more thing is given, that is QR is equal to 20, that we will use in the later steps. Now let us see. First we will arrange this equation. All the numeric values I will take on one side, and this areas I will take on the left hand side, and the right hand side I will do the arrangement. Okay, so I will get area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 9 upon 16. What I have done, PQR is taken here and 16 is taken to the denominator. Okay, so I get this. Now children, these are the similar triangles as I have written. It is given in the question. Triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR. So here we will apply theorem of ratio of areas of similar triangle. Okay, so area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle PQR is equal to MN square upon QR square. What is the reason? Theorem of areas of similar triangle. Now whatever value we have, we will substitute it here. Okay, so from 1 I can write LM upon triangle LMN upon area of triangle PQR is 9 upon 16. See here, this value can be substituted here from 1. So what we will get? We will get 9 upon 16 is equal to MN square upon QR square. Okay, reason from 1. Okay, now I want the answer MN, and here MN square is there. So what we will do, we will take square root on both the sides. To remove this square, children, we will take square root on both the sides. So therefore we will get square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 16 is 4. This will become MN and this will become QR. Reason, taking square root on both sides. In the question, children, you can see QR value is given. QR is given 20. So we will substitute here. Therefore I will get 3 upon 4 is equal to MN upon 20. Now we will rearrange it to get the value of MN. Therefore MN is equal to 20 into 3 upon 4. Now you can do the cutting and cancellation. 4 ones are and 5s are. So answer you will get 15. So therefore your final answer is, therefore MN is equal to 15.